Denver Xcel Energy says about a dozen power poles caught fire last night during a rainstorm.
Yeah, this doesn't happen very often, but conditions were just right last night. And Denver 7's Lance Hernandez is in North Park Hill. So, Lance, what conditions are we talking about here?
Well, a long dry spell led up to a big buildup of gunk on top of those insulators up there. When that gunk got wet, it turned into a conductor of electricity, and this is the result. Charred pieces of power pole on the ground here. This one burned last night. They had to replace it with this one. A dozen power poles caught fire across the metro area last night. This one forced the closure of I-270 when the wires began sagging.
Last night we had the perfect conditions for what is known as arcing. We've had a long dry period of weather. We've had dirt and other materials build up on our power lines.
Xcel Energy spokesman Mark Stutz says the dirt and grime buildup combined with the rain caused arcing.
Arcing is just the dirt allows the electricity to kind of jump off the line, and path of least resistance typically will jump and for that brief moment strike the power pole.
It's similar to the arcing shown in this video released by the transit agency in Washington, D.C. This is their subway line. 30,000 people were left in the dark from weather-related power outages last night. I asked one of them what they thought of the concept of power poles catching fire in a rainstorm.
That's just kind of weird.
Has extra crews on standby tonight in case any of that wind blows tree limbs into power lines. In Denver, Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.